In this lesson, we will be learning our next song called My Bunny Lies Over the Ocean. This song begins with the chord G, and the strumming pattern for this song is strum 2, which is down, down, up, down, up. Let's play the chords of the verse slowly together, and I'll call out the chords as we play along. The verse begins with the chord G, and we will be starting after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My G, C, G, 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 D, D, G, C, G, G, C, D, G, G. Now, let's play the chords of the chorus slowly together. And again, I'll call out the chords as we play along. The chorus begins with the chord G, and we will be starting after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G, G, C, C, D, D, G, 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 C, C, D, D, G, G. This time we will sing the song a little quicker together, and we will be starting after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My bunny lies over the ocean. My bunny lies over the sea. My bunny lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my bunny to me. Bring back Finally, we will sing the song one more time together at normal speed, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My bonny